In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page. A landing page is a focused web page designed to drive a single action, like signing up, downloading, or booking a demo. Keeping that purpose in mind will help every choice feel intentional and make the page perform better. Start by heading to your dashboard and opening the Campaigns area. Inside Campaigns, look for the Landing Pages section. This is where all of your landing pages live, and it's the control center for creating new ones and organizing existing ones. Going in through Campaigns keeps everything tied to your broader marketing efforts, so your landing page doesn't sit in isolation. If you manage multiple campaigns, this view also helps you stay consistent with naming and goals as your library grows. Once you're in landing pages, click Create a Landing Page. This brings up the starting point for your page, and it's where you decide the framework you'll build on. Treat this click as the moment you define direction. A targeted page, one audience, one clear outcome. Before moving forward, take a moment to think about the goal you want visitors to achieve, the audience you're speaking to, and the single message that should be crystal clear the moment the page loads. Now choose a template or start from scratch. Templates are a great shortcut because they come with proven layouts, a bold hero section, a strong headline area, space for a call to action, and places to add benefits or social proof. Look for a template that naturally fits your purpose: lead capture, event registration, product interest, and make sure the structure supports a clear path to your button or form. Prioritize templates that are clean, mobile-friendly, and easy to scan. It also helps to choose a layout that aligns with your brand style, so colors, typography, and imagery feel cohesive once you customize. If you prefer full control, start from scratch. This gives you a blank canvas and maximum flexibility. Before you commit, visualize the flow. A compelling headline, a short supporting sentence, a prominent call to action, and concise sections that address what it is, why it matters, and how to take the next step. Keep the page focused on a single goal, minimize distractions, and plan for quick readability on small screens. Whether you choose a template or a blank layout, the key is clarity. One message, one action, and a structure that naturally guides visitors toward it. With your choice made, you're ready to move into the builder and fine-tune the content and visuals that bring your landing page to life.